I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking for an easy to install and yet very effective doorbell? Who is it? It might be your mother. You can hide if you want. I want to tell you about this doorbell. It is fantastic. The thing that I love about it the most was it was so easy to install. I took it out of the box. It came with a sticker to hang on your door, and it came with 2 sound machines that have other plugs in them, which is fantastic. And it has so many different sounds for you to choose from. 58 different sounds to be exact, and it also has a volume feature and a little light feature, which is nice. And this thing withstands some weather. It has been here through storms, through heat, through anything that the weather has thrown at it. It is staying put. So this is a fun little doorbell to have if you just want to annoy your children with all the different sounds that it makes. That's why I got it. I mean, we live in the country and it's not like we have any friends or anything, but annoying your kids is awesome fun. This doorbell is amazing. It is everything that I needed it to be. It's loud, it's clear, and it's kind of pretty. But that's just my point of view.